another tip for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour. I think this should have been the first one, is support. Bam, 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 call the bell. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is OGOM'S, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT Nigeria. So on today's video, it is going to be tips on how to get your 4,000 watch hour, okay? How to get your 4,000 watch hour to get monetized. If this is a video you will love, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell and also give this video a thumbs up before you even start watching. And let's get right into the video. Welcome back, guys. So some people will be asking, what is watch hour, okay? 4,000 watch hour is one of the criteria or one of the requirements for you to have, for you to get monetized on YouTube, or for you to start getting paid on YouTube, or for you to start earning revenue on YouTube. That is what a 4,000 watch hour means. You need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour for you to get monetized on YouTube, or for you to start earning on YouTube. Now, 4,000 watch hour is a very hard task for you to achieve on this YouTube platform, and kudos to everyone that is on this YouTube platform that is already monetized and got their 4,000 watch hours. Some get it easy and some don't. For me, it was actually getting to 1 year for me on YouTube before I got my 4,000 watch hour. Why some people, once they start their channel, 1 month of posting video, they already monetized. But I'm not here to compare my channels with anyone's channel. So keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing. Now, for you to get your 4,000 watch hour, it requires you posting video consistently, posting value-added video consistently for you to get your 4,000 watch hour. Now, let's get into the tips on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour fast. The first and foremost tips, if you see me looking down, please, I have written some things down. That is why I'm looking down. Now, for you to get your 4,000 watch hour, the first and foremost tips is for you to make 8 to 10 minutes video, or 10 to 16 minutes video. Now, why I said you should make 8 to 10 minutes video or 10 to 16 minutes video is for you to be able to put ads in those particular video when you get monetized. If you're making 8-minute video, people tend to stay longer on your videos. If they're staying longer on your videos, that means the watch hour is accumulating for you, and in that way, you will get your 4,000 watch hour fast. Making 8 to 10 minutes video or making 10 to 16 minutes video. But remember that you need to tone it down. Don't go and make 20 minutes video, and you will say that people will get to watch to the end. There are still people that will watch your videos to the end, but if you're making it short, simple, people will tend to watch that video, move on to your next video. So make sure that you're creating 8 to 10 minutes video. Another advantage of making 8 to 10 minutes video is for you to be able to put ads in between those videos when you get monetized. Now, another tip for you to get to your 4,000 watch hour is by asking your audience to help you run your playlist. Or first of all, let's say that the second tip should be creating a playlist. Have you created a playlist on your channel? I have made a video on how you can create a playlist on your channel, for which I'll be leaving here, or I'll just be leaving all the video links on the description box, okay? Have you created a playlist on your channel? Now, what is creating a playlist? A playlist is whereby you're sectioning your videos, you're niching down your videos to the box for which it's supposed to be. Now, if you have different niches on your channel, which is lifestyle, motherhood, or tutorials, okay, your market videos should be to one particular playlist. Your lifestyle video, if it's your owambe or anything, your lifestyle should be on one box. Your tutorial videos, if it's your sewing videos, should be on one box. In that way, if people want to watch a particular playlist on your channel, they will know that it is all about tutorial videos that they want to watch, okay? So create a playlist should be the second tips for which you can do in order to get to your 4,000 watch hour. Because if people watch a whole playlist on your video on how to do tutorials on anything, in that way your watch hour is accumulating. Do you understand? The next tip for you to get to your 4,000 watch hour is asking your audience or your subscribers to please help you run your playlist. Now we are in Nigeria and data is very expensive, but there are still people in Nigeria that actually run each other's playlist, okay? If you have subscribers that are outside the country or anyone that you know that you rapport with, please kindly ask the person to help you run your playlist. In that way, they're helping you get to your 4,000 watch hour, because I also begged people to help me run my playlist. In that way, I got to my 4,000 watch hour fast. If I knew earlier, I would have done it when I started my YouTube channel, but we don't know it all. So now you're watching this video, help your audience to please help you to please help you run your playlist. Okay, now another way for which you can help yourself run your playlist: don't run your playlist with your own account. Instead, create a second account that you're using specifically to run your own playlist. You can create a random YouTube account that you know that you're not using to post videos. Just create it specifically for running your playlist. Just put it on your laptop, and in that way you are accumulating 4,000 watch hour for yourself. Another tip for which you can use in getting to your 4,000 watch hour is by joining groups, WhatsApp groups that help people run their playlist. Okay, example of the person that I know that help people to run their playlist is Deaconess Bless K. I don't know if she's still doing it, but you can chat her up to know how to join her WhatsApp group. In that way, there are people that are in the group that are helping each other to run their playlist. She can help you run your 10 hours playlist, 20 hours playlist, but it all boils down to you creating a playlist on your channel. So join the Deaconess Bless K WhatsApp group for running playlist, and definitely you will get to your playlist, because there are so many people that have joined that particular group and they got to their goal. So if you're one of them, just leave in the comment section and give kudos to the Deaconess Bless K. Okay, another tip for which you can use to get to your 4,000 watch hour is how value added is your video. Some people feel that creating an 8 to 10 minutes video is just for you to come out and be talking and just be talking anyhow, and you'll be dragging your video for you to get to 8 minutes or 10 minutes, and in that way you will feel that people will watch. Once people are not staying long, once the audience retention on your video is not long, there is no how that video will accumulate watch hour for you. So you need to know what you're on your channel for. You need to know what you're on YouTube for. So if you're creating value added content, if you have decided on your channel that you want to create tutorials on how to make abacha, on how to make jollof rice, fried rice, at least make it worthwhile. People will definitely come and watch that video. If it is a video that if it is a video that they love, they will definitely watch to the end, and they will subscribe to your channel and come back for more. So that is why you should create value added contents on your channel. In that way, people are watching your video and you will get to your 4,000 watch hour faster. You hear me? Another tip for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour, I think this should have been the first one, is support. Bam 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 bam, call the bell. Support. Now, if you feel that after creating your video, you will expect ghosts to come and watch that video when you are not even showing up for their own videos, my sister, you lie. You don't enter. If you are not supporting others and you expect people to come and support you, I'm sorry, you're not getting that support, and that's on period. You are not getting that support. I'm not saying that you should support the whole 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but choose your support, choose your hustle. You need to support others for others to be there for you. I know there are still some people that you will support and they still not show up for you, but do your part and leave the rest to God. You need to support others. If they are doing support me, I support you, because that is what I call it. Some people will call it sub for sub. But if you need to watch other people's video and you will expect them to come and watch your own video, then show your support genuinely. Don't always go to people's channel, watch their video, and you expect them to support you, because there are still people that you watch their video, they won't watch yours in return. But do your part. Show up for others genuinely. Show up for others genuinely. If they've asked you to go to this person's channel for you to watch their video, please make sure that you're doing it right. Don't support only for that. I'm now saying for my own. If they have put out this person's link and said you should go and support this particular channel, please let that not be the end of the support on that person's channel. If you know that you don't like that person's comments, or that person's content, not comments, if you know that you don't like that person's content, then don't start from the beginning to even support. If you know that you are not going to support that person all through the videos, if I'm subscribed to your channel, I am subscribed for life. I will support you if you post anything on your channel, unless it's a water video. If you're talking down on anybody, I won't be there to support you in that particular one. But if you're showing support to that person, show support to that person's on that person's channel daily. Whatever that person's post, if you feel that you need to leave a comment, leave your comments, leave your opinion, and move ahead. So, supporting your other fellow YouTubers, those that you started with, support them, watch their videos, show them support if you need to. So that is another way that you can get to your 4,000 watch hour. You can't do it all on this platform. We need others to grow on this platform. So that is why you need to support others. Okay? Another tip for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour is start early to go live. live stream, okay? Even if you're not going to be there, if you want to do silent live stream, run your silent live stream. It's just bringing me back to the days for when I do my live stream, okay? If you need to show your face, now let me give you an example or a tip. Now, a live stream that you're doing and you're showing yourself, maybe you're talking about trending topics or you're teaching something, the watch hour that you accumulate from that particular live stream is higher than when it's a silent live stream. There are two types of live stream for which you can do. There are some silent live stream that you're just on your live stream and you're going off. Nothing is happening on that live stream. Nothing is going on in the comment section. The watch hour is not plenty, but there is a silent live stream for which you're doing and still in the comment section you're active. You, even if you don't want to show your face, in the comment section you will drop a topic and tell them, okay, let us discuss this particular topic. In that way, you are being active in the comment section. The watch hour is higher. Now, there is a difference with when you're running a live stream and you're showing yourself, talking about trending topics or teaching them something, maybe YouTube tips. The watch hour is the highest of them all. So if you need to run a live stream, please start running your live stream. Come out, let people see you. Come out and teach people something. Come out and talk about trending topics on your channel. Okay, start running your live stream, start doing your live stream. In that way, you will accumulate more watch hour for your channel and you will get monetized faster. So start going live. Okay, so guys, another tip for which you can use to get to your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube is for you to start posting consistently. Now, there are different types of consistency. Okay, consistency is whereby either you have chosen to be posting daily or you have chosen to be posting 2 times a week or 3 times a week. But the amount of consistency we are talking about is if you have told us that you will be posting video daily, then make sure you stay up to your own bargain. Make sure you stay up to your own promise. Now, if you have told us that you'll be posting 2 times or 3 times a week, then make sure that we see the videos for which you have promised us. I know that sometimes man proposes, God disposes, but you can't post a video this week and the next time we will see you will be 1 month. I know there are some things that need to come up or some things that will come up and we don't get to see a video from you, but make sure that you're posting videos consistently no matter what. If you need to make it on this platform, please try as much as possible to post consistently. Choose your consistency, okay? If you need to post 3 times a week, then let it be 3 times a week. If you have told us that we are going to be seeing videos Wednesdays and Saturdays, then let it be Wednesdays and Saturday. Okay, you can't tell us we will see video on Wednesday, you will post on Wednesday, and the next time we will see you will be in the next 3 months. No, now people will move ahead to another channel. Until you come back, they will choose to support or they will not choose to support you. So if you need to start making it on this YouTube platform, if you need to start making money from this YouTube platform, then you need to call this YouTube your business. If you're making money from this platform, call it your business. Be there. Because if you're telling me that you're doing your business and today you will say, I will come out to the shop today and tomorrow I will not come out. What if that tomorrow you will not come out is the day that a customer will want to buy a particular item from you? Then you are not there. You've missed out on that particular customer. So treat this YouTube like a business if you need to make it on this platform. Posting consistently can be once a week if you have a very tight schedule. It can be 2 times a week. It can be 3 times a week. Then if you know that you can keep up with posting daily, then do that. Okay, each hustle for which you have chosen, you have to follow the consequences that comes with it. Yes, posting daily, that means any day you are posting daily and they're dropping comments, you are replying to the comments, because posting a video and just walking without replying to people's comments, it's somehow to me. Even if you are coming back in 1 month's time to reply that comment, make sure you reply to the comments on your videos. Don't just post video and go and you won't reply comments. No, it's somehow. So choose your consistency on this YouTube platform. So these are the tips in order for you to get to your 4,000 watch hour, because getting to your 4,000 watch hour, you are getting monetized, and you getting monetized, you are getting paid, and you getting paid, you will keep growing, and this will be as a source of another source of income for you. Okay, post value added content video. In that way, you will get more views on your YouTube channel, you will get more views on your video, value added content. But remember, you need to be patient with the results. Don't go and look at another person's channel and come and say, I want my channel to be this way. I want to start getting 1 million views on my videos immediately when I start my channel. As it was like that for others, it can be like that for you. All you need to do is to keep applying your own strategy and make sure that it's working for you. If you apply this particular strategy and you see that it's not working for you, then move ahead. Move to another strategy. Try that strategy and see how it works for you. So if you have other tips for which you know that people can get to their 4,000 watch hour, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, now if this is a video that you love and you enjoyed it so much, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Just pause this video, give thumbs up. And if you haven't joined my membership, please click on the join button for which you can see below. Click on the notification bell for which you can see beside the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.